Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to use GLPro Blood Sugar Support capsules. So, you might be wondering, what is GLPro here and how to exactly take it? This is all information that we'll be discussing here will be based on one of the websites it's actually being sold on. So, what is GLPro? So, GLPro here is a dietary supplement in capsule form, marketed to support healthy blood sugar levels and overall metabolic health. Now, according to the official website here, well, it is made with natural plant ingredients, minerals, vitamins, and extracts, and is manufactured in the United States in an FDA registered and GMP certified facilities. Now, remember, these are claims inside the website. Now, the formula includes ingredients such as riboflavin, mangosteen, prickly pear, cinnamon bark, konjac, alpha lipoic acid, turmeric, berberine HCl, resveratrol, Bifidobacterium breve, and Akkermansia mucinipila. And the company markets GLPro primarily for blood sugar support, but also says it can support energy levels, weight management, mental clarity, antioxidant protection, and digestive health. Now, these are claims that they do have in their website. Now, in this case, GLPro here is described as non-GMO, gluten-free, stimulant-free, and non-habit forming. Now, the website says results may vary for some users, reporting changes within several weeks of consistent use alongside healthy lifestyle here. Now, again, like what I said before, they do mention that the product is made in the USA, all natural, and FDA approved facility. Now, how do you exactly take the product itself? Now, if you visit one of the websites it's actually being sold on, there's not much information on how or instructions on how to exactly take the exact product here. So, in that case, you may want to refer to the actual product instructions included with the product that you'll be getting if you do decide on buying this product here. Now, in this case, maybe consulting a doctor first or healthcare professional would be a safer choice here before actually taking it. And the website does say that the people taking the medication or those with underlying health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before using GL Pro here. As you can see, they do note that in their website and mentions that the FDA hasn't evaluated the statements provided on this page. And again, they mention make sure you consult with a licensed doctor before taking any supplements or making any changes to your diet or exercise plan here. And also mentions individual results may vary. So the claims that they have in their websites are in their website here is not guaranteed effects that you'll experience. Now, as for the pricing right now, so currently, you could get or you could buy GLPro here at around $49 per bottle as part of a limited time offer for the 6 bottles option here with a total pricing of 294. But again, if you're going to buy the 6 bottles option here, you're just buying each bottle for 49, but the total bill that you are going to pay here is around 294. Now they do offer 2 bottles and 3 bottles here with prices around $79 and $69 accordingly, with a total pricing of $158 and $207 as of this moment. Now they do provide free shipping here if you get the 6 bottles and 3 bottles here, and they do mention certain guarantees here. So they do mention it at the very top here. It mentions 60-day money back guarantee. Now, if you're really interested with this product here, and because GL Pro is specifically marketed for blood sugar management, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before taking it is recommended, particularly if you use blood sugar medications or have an existing medical condition. The website itself says GL Pro is not a replacement for prescribed medication and recommends consulting a licensed doctor. And also doing your own research into the ingredients and the manufacturer's claims is also recommended. And maybe reading reviews outside the website is also a good thing here, just to make sure that this product here is the right one for you. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.